Hi, my name is Mario Sandgren. I am the UK Brand Development Manager for Copalli. Copalli Cacao is 40% at 700 milliliters. Copalli Cacao just has heirloom sugarcane, local yeast, canopy water, and single estate Belizean cacao nibs. We distill this rum twice, first in a pot still, then we macerate the cacao nibs and redistill it in the single column. We then let that rest in stainless steels for a couple of weeks after we dilute it down with the canopy water. Copalli Cacao is a clean and unique cane juice rum infusion. It's completely GMO free and organic. Both the cane and the cacao is single estate. As a company, we built our business sustainable from the ground up as a zero waste business. And due to the addition of cacao to this rum, we provide jobs in our community, which is Punta Gorda, southern Belize. For Copalli Cacao, the perfect serve is a cacao espresso martini. It also is excellent with high-grade Belizean chocolate or charcuterie. You can buy Copalli Cacao here at TT Liquor on Kingston Road or online. For more information, please subscribe or sign up to their newsletter.